All right, well, it is not the wheel cylinder like I originally suspected. You know, it was leaking in the driveway, sitting on an angle, leaking a little bit. I just see it coming down from the inside of the drum, on out down the tire on the driveway. Wheel cylinder. It's usually what it is. Nope. Dead wrong on that one. Dead wrong. Couldn't be any farther wrong. It's actually the axle seal leaking. Because now I got to pull the whole axle out and everything else just to do the seal. Well, the axle shaft anyway. Not the whole housing or nothing, just the shaft. I mean, I really didn't feel like doing that. I mean, them shoes are pretty much scrap because they got oil on them. But don't worry, I'm going to do the right thing here. And we're just going to clean them bad boys up with some brake cleaner and call them a day. They'll be good enough for now. We're still trying to work the bugs out. I'm glad I like working on stuff because, man, if I didn't, I'd be throwing in the towel.